How do I ensure rapid rollout? Many organizations face specific business initiatives require a rapid rollout of a particular learning solution. And sometimes the administrative or the technology aspects of the solution is unable to meet the demands of the business at the speed at which it is required. One of our clients, we rolled out their training programs in 30 countries in 1 quarter, NXP Semiconductors. They had a huge management and leadership program which they wanted to roll out in 30 countries. Our administrative staff was able to roll up in 1 quarter, 90 days, we were able to deliver training across the world. And then after that, we were able to, reduce our service delivery because the initial peak had died down and come to a much more stable business model. Again, a different variation is spikes in volumes. Do you, as your own organization, which is just supporting your company, can you handle spikes very efficiently? NIIT as an organization, if we are providing this service to 25 different organizations, we can balance our staff to meet your spikes in your requirements. So there's a client of ours in India, the Ministry of Finance. We handle call variations from 100 to 200 calls per day around learning-related matters, all the way to 2,000 calls per day. That's the kind of spike that can happen. And we did not fail. We don't fail in these situations. What about global delivery capabilities? Organizations, or some of you who have global operations, it is essential for you to provide training administration services on a 24/7 basis. More and more organizations are looking to create a shared services model rather than having learning technology and learning administration embedded within the regional units. That used to be what was prevalent till about 3 or 4 years ago. In the last 3 or 4 years, I have seen at least 100 organizations who are moving to a shared services function as far as learning technology and learning administration is concerned. And the moment you do that, you have to find a partner who has global delivery capabilities as well. And we provide a multi-shore development model. We have delivery centers across 5 different geographies. And we have a 24/7 services team for a global coverage and a global operation as well. It's not just about cost. How do we actually provide cost savings? By optimization and by efficiency. NIIT brings tremendous expertise in the area of training operations and training technology. And we are able to study your operations, your learning process, and are able to optimize that and make it more efficient. In one of our clients, Philips, we demonstrated a 25% increase in global delivery efficiency through an outsourcing relationship in the first year itself. So we work on a number of initiatives to say, if this activity takes 4 hours to do, how can we condense that and perhaps take only 3 hours to do it the next time that we do it? And we've done a number of performance improvement, efficiency improvement operations throughout the year, both in terms of technology as well as administration, to help you drive that benefit. What about non-core operations? Non-core operations are time-consuming and complex. They are necessary, but they are time-consuming and complex and do not add any necessary value. So whether it's things like implementing various policies across countries. So Germany has a particular workforce specific legal requirement, and all of the learning and development has to follow a certain set of standards and certain reporting requirements. Now, is that something that you want to really take on yourself, or is that something that you really want to find a partner who can handle that for you at a very reasonable cost? How can training managers, people who are responsible for performance improvement, how can they really be performance consultants and add value to your businesses rather than being bogged down in transaction? So, in every of our client relationships, we've been able to release their internal staff, especially the senior staff. We found that even senior staff, performance consultants, were spending only about 25% of their time in actually providing real performance consulting to the businesses. And with our partnership, we've been able to release that energy and overall increase the training effectiveness of the organization. Is the outsourcing arrangement secure and compliant with international standards? Security is a chief concern for most clients, and compliance to global and regional security requirements is a fundamental need for many clients. Our experience, our delivery center is BS 7799 certified, which is the highest level of quality accreditation as far as security is concerned. And then we support all regional compliance requirements as well. I talked about work council requirements in Germany and many other local compliance requirements. We take care of all of that so that you are running a training operation which is completely compliant with your legal requirements and your business requirements as well. What about different LMS platforms and systems? About 50% of our clients use our hosted LMS technology platform when we are providing the learning administration services as well. However, our learning administration service is platform agnostic. You don't have to buy the LMS hosted platform from us. It's platform agnostic. We provide LMS administration services on SumTotal, on Plateau, on any other LMS that you may have in your organization as well. As I said, about half of our clients choose to use us for the hosted LMS technology platform as well, but there are many who don't as well. I talked about regional specific requirements as well as role-specific requirements. Many of our clients say there are different parts of our organization where we want to provide differentiated levels of service. So one of our clients said, our top 200 managers, we really need to create an executive help desk for our top 200 managers because we really want to provide a premium service, when they attend training programs. And we are able to accommodate that. So we are able to customize our solution according to different needs of our clients.